Hi guys, welcome to my channel Niki the Art. Hope you're all well. Today I'm using a 12 by 16 inch canvas. It's a deep edge canvas, and I've just laid down some normal white house paint, and now this is just some black acrylic, carbon black by Holcroft, mixed with my pouring medium. Rather than use a whole black base, I saw Jessica Winterstrom art on Instagram where she puts down a strip of black and it sort of gives a lovely effect with the white, so I thought I'd have a go. Now this is Atelier Pthalo Turquoise. I'm just drizzling it over it. And this is Primary Elements Bling It in Gold Sparkle pigment. And then this is Jo Sonja Aqua. And I'm swiping with Atelier Interactive Rich Gold. And I also swipe with some, it's a mixture of Amsterdam Lamp Black and Amsterdam Pain Grey. I only do a little bit in the black because I preferred the gold. Right, I'll let you watch and put some music on for you.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah, I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. You waste my time. Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If I will share my life with anyone, I really hope that you will be the one. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I
Hope you like this, guys. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'd greatly appreciate it. It really helped my channel out, thank you. And share and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm going to upload a new video, or know when I have uploaded, should I say. And take care, stay safe, and thanks for being here. And as always, thank you for all the lovely comments. I can't tell you what it means to me to read all the comments that you leave. You're wonderful, thank you. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.